Hi, I'm Mike Mary from Mary Farms, and with Christmas around the corner, I'd like to share some tips with you for picking the perfect Christmas tree. 3/4 of the customers that come to our farm end up buying a tree that's too big for their room. So before you leave the house, make sure you measure your height and how much width you've got for the tree. Ideally, you want the tree 1 foot shorter than the height of your room. So you've got room at the top for a tree topper and room for the stand at the bottom. You really want to focus on the width of the tree as well. So you've got room around the tree once you get it inside. And also pay attention to the taper on the tree. Some trees like Fraser Firs tend to have a tighter taper to them. Just think about how tight you want that taper before getting it home. If you're in an apartment or a smaller house, you can search for the tree that's got a cut back on it or a triangular shape that you can fit it into tight corners. Some of the most popular Christmas trees now are Balsam firs and Fraser Firs. Fraser Firs are the best for long needle retention. So when you're out looking for the perfect Christmas tree, you want to focus on a couple things. You're going to have a much easier time getting this tree to stand straight once you get it home if it's got a straight trunk. So focus on a tree where the trunk is fairly straight. And also, you want to pick a tree with a nice dark rich green color. With regards to cutting down the tree, ideally you've got some helpers with you and have somebody lift up the bottom branches while you're cutting. And ideally have some of your helpers just push away on the tree, and that'll help just keep the cut open so the tree doesn't bind on your saw. I'm Mike Mary for Cottage Life. Thanks for watching.